So my name's Kate Biggs, I'm a Conservation Officer with Gloucester City Council, and I'm at the Nelson Foster Monument in Sydenham Gardens in Gloucester this morning, where we've undertaken some conservation work with funding from Enovert Trust. So Nelson Foster was an eminent merchant and philanthropist in Gloucester. He had a mill at Baker's Quay which produced oil from flaxseed and linseed. He died at sea in 1901, and this monument was erected to celebrate his philanthropy. It had undergone quite a lot of weathering and was suffering from degradation. So the Nelson Foster Monument is quite interesting because now it looks just like a monument, but probably when it was constructed as a water fountain. And if we walk around the monument, you can see that there are little niches that would have had water piped to them through the lead piping that we can see blocked in little dots around the monument. It's with funding from charities like the Enovert Trust that we can undertake the care and conservation of some of the city's more important monuments. So that's working in partnership with the City Council, and we're doing our best to try and enable new funding in to help conserve some of the city's monuments.